Today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new product that will be coming out on June 27th, 2019. The product is called the Digi Product Lab. And what this product will do is it will allow you to create highly profitable ebooks and digital products with zero effort in less than 60 seconds. You can effortlessly create stunning ebooks for multiple income streams, and I will show you what those income streams are, and have free traffic without any experience or writing a word of content, which means you don't need to have any technical knowledge, you don't have to do any research, you don't have to write a thing, you don't have to even pick up a pen if you don't want to, and you can produce beautiful ebooks and reports. So what is going on here? The income options for this product are endless. Everything you need to create, promote, and profit is included. So what is this software and exactly how do you fit in? Well, this is a cloud-based software that creates stunning ebooks and reports for a constant source of free traffic, leads, and profits. So how do you create an ebook? Well, you've got a number of ways. You can enter a keyword into the software and you can have this book made from scratch. The software will search their library of 250,000 premium PLR articles for content. And the software will glean that content from those articles and it will create an ebook for you. And with 250,000 premium PLR articles, you can have ebooks created for about any topic that you could possibly imagine. Makes no difference what niche you're in. Or you can enter a website URL to legally scrape content from any website. It will make this content in such a condition that it will be legal for you to use it. You can customize your own content if you have it, and you can mix and match any combination of the aforementioned types of content, and you'll have 100% unique ebooks that are made for you in minutes. Nobody else will have what you have as an ebook either to give away or to sell. Now, Digi Product Lab also includes a powerful e-cover creator giving you stunning covers with point-and-click ease. And in many cases, eye-catching, beautifully designed e-cover will sell the book for you just by itself. And to get results, your ebooks need exposure, and Digi Product Lab has that covered as well. I'll let you know about that in a minute. You can choose from dozens of built-in top-converting landing pages also. They give you landing pages to help you promote your ebooks across all sorts of platforms. It also integrates with any autoresponder of your choice to build an email list. So if you want to use these ebooks to build an email list, this product will correspond or integrate with your autoresponder so you can automatically build an email list without a lot of work on your part. You even get pre-built thank you pages. So when you deliver your product to a customer, it will automatically send them a thank you page. And you can use that thank you page to introduce yourself, tell the customer a little bit about yourself, let them know that you'll be sending them additional information with recommendations for products, and you build yourself an email list just the same way. Every page is hosted for you on their servers, which means you can have unlimited pages. You can have thousands and thousands of books that you've produced, and they will all be hosted for you at zero cost. So anytime you want to pull one out, it's going to be sitting there waiting for you, and you don't have to pay a cent to host it. In addition, you've got step-by-step training in here that will cover the basics of using the software and will teach you as well how to maximize your profits from these beautifully designed books. So it makes no difference whether you're brand new or if you're an experienced marketer who's short on time, you're going to be delivering traffic, leads, and profits quickly. So here are some of the benefits. Here's how you can make money with the Digi Product Lab. And there are a number of ways. You get traffic, leads, and sales made easy with the beginner-friendly software. You can make 100% passive income from free viral traffic, and you can get affiliate commissions and product sales. All you have to do is put your own links to your affiliate products or to your own products in the ebooks that you publish, so you will be making sales while building an email list. You'll create unlimited stunning ebooks, lead magnets, and digital info products in minutes. you won't have to write a single word of content. It pulls legally from an exclusive library of 250,000 PLR articles, so you can get something on any topic you need. You have advanced technology which lets you leverage existing online content just by adding a URL. You can start from scratch. You can add your own content, mix and match, and you've got a 100% unique product. You also have the point-and-click ebook cover maker, which is a really valuable asset. And you've got top converting landing pages and delivery or thank you pages with premium hosting. And you also get the complete step-by-step training, which shows you exactly how to profit from the software. So here's what this Digi Product Lab will do for you. First of all, you can get traffic by creating ebooks and just sharing them on PDF sites like SlideShare with your links in there, links to a website, links to more of your products, but you can get traffic that way. You can boost your opt-ins by creating simple giveaway reports in just 60 seconds. And people love simple giveaway reports. These are very attractive, especially if you make them short and to the point. They are easily consumable. Nobody has to sit through an hour video. They can get the information, they get it quickly, and people love it, especially when it's free. You can create simple ebooks and just give them away with your affiliate links inside for easy profits. Just give them away. Create ebooks that are relevant to the affiliate product you're promoting. Put the links in your content in the book, and you make affiliate profits by doing that. And you can also take existing content that you already have and repurpose it and turn it into multiple ebooks in simply minutes. With this software, it's amazing. So great. But and I got the software. I see what the software does. But how do I promote my ebooks? I still need traffic. No matter how beautiful my ebooks are, if nobody sees them, it doesn't do me any good. Well, once your ebook is ready, it's time to get it out there, and Digi Product Lab has you covered there as well. The software includes dozens of top converting landing page templates that you can customize to promote your product. And then just connect them to your autoresponder. You give away the free product, connect it to your autoresponder, and boom, you've got an emailing list that you can use to profit with over and over. They even include the built-in thank you pages to help you deliver your product to your subscriber. And again, you can use those pages to build a relationship with your subscriber. Tell them a little bit about yourself. Let them know what you do. Let them know about your successes. And let them know that you're going to be emailing them in the future with strategies, tips, and product recommendations as well. And again, everything is hosted for you. You do not have to pay a single penny for hosting, no matter how many ebooks you create. So this is really simple. It's really 1, 2, 3. The first thing you do is select the topic, enter that information into the searcher, and you will create beautiful ebooks and digital products. You can take those and you have beautifully designed products, and then you can monetize them either by putting your affiliate links in there or putting product links in there or giving them away as free giveaways in exchange for somebody's email address and build yourself an emailing list quickly and very cheaply. So here's everything you get with this product. You get the automatic ebook creation tool and the database of 250,000 PLR articles. You also have the ability to create content from any niche by just entering a URL. Or you can start from scratch, enter your own content, mix and match, and have a 100% unique product. You have a point-and-click professional e-cover creator. And again, e-covers are very, very important. Often they have the ability to sell the product for you. You have a premium, fully customizable landing page templates. You have done for you thank you and product delivery pages. You have free hosting of all your landing and delivery pages on their servers, regardless of how many ebooks you create. You can create thousands of them. You have step-by-step training from start to profit. You have world-class support because your results matter to them. They want to have a successful product. They don't want to have a bunch of refunds and have a bunch of unhappy customers. So they will do whatever is necessary to make sure you stay happy. And you have full agency rights. This is important. You have the right to create these ebooks for your clientele. You can market yourself as an ebook creator. Now, if you've ever gone to a site like Fiverr or People Per Hour or Upwork. These are sites where freelancers advertise their skills and what they're willing to do, and they also show how much they charge. Now, when you come to ebook creation, you have many people who create the content for the ebook, and you have other people who create the covers for the ebooks. And it can cost you hundreds of dollars, easily hundreds of dollars, to get a nice, beautiful ebook created. With this software, you now have the ability to create both the content for the ebook, the e-cover. You have a beautifully designed, complete ebook, and you can offer that for sale as a freelancer. You can make hundreds of dollars a day doing this, and it's so simple, it's all at your fingertips. You also have 0 monthly fees. During the launch, there's a launch special, which is only during the launch, where the product can be had for a one-time cost. There's no monthly recurring. However, once the launch is completed, there will be a monthly ongoing charge for this software. So if you get in now, you'll pay for it once and never again. You also have a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. If you don't like the software, and I can't imagine why you wouldn't, you can get your money back, no questions asked, for 30 days. So you can sit there for 30 days and create hundreds of ebooks if you want to, and if you're not happy with it, turn around and ask for a refund. Now, here's the final killer. You get all this at the launch special price of $19.97. That is not a typo. It's a one-time only. There is no monthly fees, less than $20, and you're the owner of this software. Now, if that's not enough, the vendor also giving away some launch bonuses. So the first one is a private Facebook support group. This has a value of $197. This is a support group where you can ask all your questions 24/7, and you can get answers in real time. So you don't have to guess if there's something here you don't understand or you need help with something. They will give you a live master training session with a legendary super affiliate. This has a value of $997. This super affiliate makes between 5 and 6 figure commissions every single month. And he is going to have a training session for you to show you how you can duplicate his efforts and do the same for yourself. This will also be available in the members area of the product. So if you miss it the first time, you'll have it at your fingertips to see. And if you want to see it over and over to pick up additional tips, it'll be available for you. There's also a quick start checklist, which has a value of $147. This checklist, if you follow it step by step, you will be sure not to miss anything you need in order to be up and running. And you can be up and running within 24 hours, creating beautifully designed ebooks and reports. And then finally, there's a mystery traffic bonus with a value of $197. Now, they will be telling you, they will be revealing to you a traffic source which they've never shared before. And it's a traffic source which will get you buyers, floods of buyers, 24/7. Now, that's the product. That's what you get with the product for all of $19.97. If you'd like to get that product, you can click on any of these buttons, or you can also find the product link in the description below this video. But in addition, I have my own exclusive bonuses. These bonuses are available only through me. Nobody else has the same bonuses, and you can get them by clicking and purchasing the product through my link. So bonus number 1 for the Digi Product Lab is free book promotions. These are insanely easy strategies to promoting your books for free. Remember, you have to have traffic. If nobody sees your book, doesn't make any difference how beautiful it is and how informative it is. If nobody sees it, nobody will buy it. It will do you no good. So here are some strategies that are free to help you promote your ebooks. Bonus number 2. This is a tutorial by somebody who made $10,000 by writing a 10-page free ebook for his sales funnel. He made $10,000 by doing this, and he will show you step by step exactly how he did it so you can duplicate it for yourself. But this is $10,000 from one book. You have the ability to do as many books as you want with this software. Okay, bonus number 3, how I made $15,000 in a day selling PDF files. Again, you can create this with this product, with this software, and here's somebody who made $15,000 in one day by using PDF files and selling them off. You can learn how he did it, and you can try to duplicate it for yourself. Good luck on that. I hope it works for you. And then the last bonus is how to make $200 a day on YouTube with PLR products. Now, PLR products are private label rights products. These are products that have been created and offered to the public. And you can buy them with different sorts of rights. You can buy them where you can change the authorship to yourself and you can claim authorship for yourself. You can change links inside the product. You can add or subtract content from the product. But these are perfect for people who either don't have the ability to create eBooks and different types of content or don't have the time to do it. And there's a huge market for PLR product. Now, you can offer to sell unique PLR profit. One of the problems with PLR profit is if you buy something, 20 other guys can buy the exact same thing you just bought, and they can offer it for sale just like you can. But if you can create unique PLR product and sell it and say it's one of a kind, you have a much better chance of creating a significant income for yourself. So in this tutorial, you'll see how this individual made $200 a day by promoting PLR products on YouTube. And remember, YouTube promotions are 100% free. You don't have to pay a cent. So once again, if you'd like to get your own copy of the Digi Product Lab, as well as all my exclusive bonuses, just click on one of the links in this page. This is my review page, and there will be a link in the description below. Or you can go directly to the sales page, and I will include a link in the description below as well for the sales page. So you can click on either of those links, get this product, and you can start creating eBooks and offering for sale or as free giveaways as early as today.